Hey guys, and welcome back. Today we are taking a look at the anti-USB Mini from Rode because I really want to improve the sound quality of my voiceovers. Thanks to all of you, the channel is growing and I really appreciate the support. It gives me motivation, and that is a driving factor why I want to improve the sound quality first. Let me know in the comment section below what you think about how the sound quality improved, or if it did. If not, just let me know and maybe we can change things up again. Let's take a look after the intro. Hey guys, it's Matt. Welcome back to the channel. Today we are taking a look at the Rode anti-USB mini microphone. And with that, I really hope that finally I can get to a level that I feel a bit more confident how my voice is coming across on this channel. Please let me know in the comment section below if you think that this is the case and what overall you think about the sound quality. Previously, I was using the Blue Yeti and it is a great microphone. Many people love it. But somehow it didn't do it for me. My voice didn't sound right. It did sound artificial, and maybe it is to all of us the same that when we hear ourselves recorded, it doesn't sound right. It sounds strange and we don't like to hear our recorded voice. Maybe that's natural and that is part of the reason. That's why it would be really great to have your feedback, what you think about that, and leave it in the comment section below. Looking at the build quality from the Rode, I feel it is better than the Blue Yeti. I always want to say Jedi, but no, it's Yeti. If it would be Jedi, maybe I would have kept it. No, just kidding. Well, the build quality feels better, and I don't know if it's the weight and the size, the relation to that. I also cannot really quantify what that is, why the quality feels better, because the Yeti feels great and the build quality is good. However, the Rode is somehow taking it up a notch, I feel. The biggest drawback is that it's coming out of the box with this very little tiny stand, and that is just too low for a mount to have a good voice recording. You have to be very close with your mouth to that kind of microphone the Rode is. You cannot just put it on your desk and talk. It will not catch your voice in a way that it's coming across then on your recording in a good way. You're looking at another expense of buying a mount that you're raising up the microphone, bringing it closer to your mouth, which I have on order. Right now I'm using boxes from my Apple TV and my HomePod Mini. So now it has the right size that is close to my mouth that I can actually record something. I don't know why Rode is not really including that. Let me rephrase. Rode is not including the mount because they want to not increase the price, since that is getting then too close to their premium line of microphones. However, it is very competitively priced, and including some kind of mount that at least you can raise the microphone to a height that it's usable for recording would be really great and appreciated. With the Blue Yeti, there was not that problem. It is a different kind of microphone. You just can put it on your desk and record your voice. You do not, or you should not, put it even that close to your mouth, since that design of microphone is working in a different way. So far, I really like the Rode, and I'm really curious about how you guys feel about it. And leave your comments below. I will read all of them. There are not so many right now, and that's another problem. Please like this video and subscribe to the channel. I really appreciate each and every one of you. We are growing and the channel is growing, And I'm really having the target and the aim to get it monetized as soon as possible so that we can produce better content for all of you. But most important, and what is really great, that you watched this video. Give it a like. Thanks guys for watching. Have a great rest of the day. Stay safe and see you in the next one.